The climate of today's HVAC industry is challenging, to say the least. Challenges with employee retention, inventory shortages due to freight delays, and very high energy costs. It seems new obstacles come in our path daily, and sometimes even hourly. To be successful, we are constantly adjusting our business strategy to face these challenging times. How do we do all this? With our fantastic team. With GREE, we have quality, reliable products and a factory dedicated to bringing these products to market. We make sure our distributors get their products on time, and we make sure our dealers get the tech support they need when they need it. We are committed to our partners. We are passionate about what we do, and we understand that our success depends on your success. We are here to help you grow your business. I'm Susanne Sanchez, and at GREE, we've got your back.